Do I look fat?
No.
Okay, I accept that. When Janice asked me and I said no, she took that to mean that I was calling her a cow.
Okay, walk us through it, honey. Walk us through it.
Jim, why don't you tell us your story again?
Why? Everybody's heard it.
Walk us through it.
And what's this?
I think that's what you should do.
Okay, walk me through it.
Did you reach out to the White House?
They're not talking to anyone until after the president does his press briefing tomorrow.
All right. Walk me through all of this again, point by point.
I was wondering if maybe you wanted to walk me through the spaying process. It's just something I've always been interested in.
So walk me through your itinerary again. You've got breakfast with Taylor.
Back home to pack, quick lunch, off to bake.
Okay, you know I'm not so good with complicated plots, so walk me through this again.
She fell. Bit her lip. It was an accident.
Okay. So, walk me through what happened.